TD Bank Direct Deposit allows you to receive payments electronically into your TD Bank account instead of receiving a physical check. This is commonly used for paychecks, government benefits, tax refunds, and other recurring payments. It's faster, more secure, and more convenient than traditional paper checks. You can obtain the TD Bank Direct Deposit enrollment form in a few ways. First, visit td.com and search for Direct Deposit Enrollment Form. Second, log into your TD online banking account to download a personalized version of the form. Finally, you can download the PDF directly from the TD Bank app, available on both iOS and Android. The direct deposit authorization form requires specific information to ensure your payments are deposited correctly into your TD Bank account. This includes your personal details, TD Bank account information, and your payer's details. First, you'll need your personal information. This includes your full legal name as it appears on your TD Bank account and your complete mailing address, including street address, city, state, and zip code. Next, you'll need your TD Bank account details. This includes your account number, which you can find on your TD Bank statements, checks, or online banking dashboard. You'll also need your routing number, also called the ABA number. This number varies depending on your TD Bank branch location. Finally, you'll need information about your payer, which is typically your employer. This includes the employer's full name, their business address, and their tax identification number. Your employer or payroll provider will use this information to set up the direct deposit. Having all this information ready before filling out the form will help ensure a smooth setup process. Remember to double-check all details for accuracy to avoid any delays in your direct deposits. Filling out the TD Bank Direct Deposit form accurately ensures your deposits process smoothly. You can complete it digitally using a PDF editor on your computer, or print it and fill it out manually with a pen. Make sure to accurately provide all required fields, including your name, address, account number, and routing number. These are essential for the deposit to reach your account. You may optionally specify deposit allocation if you want to split the deposit between your checking and savings accounts. For security purposes, it's often recommended to include a copy of a voided check if submitting the form physically. This helps verify your account details. For digital submission, upload the completed form through TD Online Banking or the TD Bank app. You can also attach the form to an email or secure portal provided by your employer. Many employers now use integrations with TD's API for instant setup, streamlining the process. If you prefer physical submission, you can mail the form directly to your employer or drop it off at a TD Bank branch. Be aware that physical submissions may take 3 to 5 business days to process. Make sure to provide the completed form to your HR department or payroll provider for proper setup. For added security, include a voided check copy when submitting physically. While direct deposits are encrypted for secure transfers, it's essential to monitor your TD Bank accounts regularly for any unauthorized activity. TD Bank provides fraud alerts through app notifications to help you stay informed about suspicious transactions. Be cautious of phishing scams that mimic the direct deposit form, appearing as legitimate emails requesting your information. Always verify the sender's authenticity and never provide personal details through unverified channels. Direct deposit is continually evolving with digital banking trends. Mobile direct deposit is rapidly growing, with mobile adoption increasing significantly year over year. AI-powered autofill is reducing errors significantly with intelligent form assistance. Experts predict direct deposit will dominate the majority of payroll transactions in the coming years. Banks like TD Bank are expanding API integrations for seamless third-party connections. Stay updated with the latest enhancements on td.com or the TD Bank app.